In this video, you will learn how to become an affiliate partner for Pabbly. It is actually a pretty easy and fun way to generate some extra cash if the customer purchases Pabbly products through your affiliate links. So to begin the process, first of all, you have to visit the website called as pabbly.com. This is the website pabbly.com. Okay, now scroll down to the bottom. Now at the resources, you will find the option called as affiliate. Click on affiliate. Now at the right top corner, you will find the option sign up free. Click this. Okay, so a form will appear in front of you. So you have to fill in this form called as affiliate partner form. So I'm going to fill in the details. These are the details I have. Also filled in the phone number. Then we have the option website to fill. So I'm just pasting the address of my website. Okay. And the industry focus is basically my blogging. So it is now asking me a question. How many referral can I bring per month? I can bring around 5 to 20. If you can bring more, then that is well and good. Just keep it as more than 100. I'm going to bring 5 to 20. Now it is asking which product I wish to promote. I'm going to promote Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email verification, Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Plus. So now the next question is how I'm going to promote their products. I'm going to promote via articles. So it is asking by which website I'm going to promote. So this is the website address. I have entered it. Now coming to the question whether I'm going to promote via social media. Yes, I can promote via social media. Let's keep it as Facebook. Email marketing. Yes, I can also do that. Okay, that's enough. So all the basic details has been filled. Just click on submit. So when you click on submit, you will be redirected to a sign up form. And when you finish signing up, you will be getting an affiliate account. Now remember this. In Pabbly, the affiliate account are generally manually approved. Basically, it means you may have to wait for some time to get your affiliate account approved. Okay, so I'm going to finish it by entering the password. I agree to all terms. Click on sign up. Okay, so this is my affiliate portal. As you can see, all my outstanding invoice available credits are practically zero. This is because we haven't done any kind of business or commission with Pabbly. So let us set up our account. So first of all, you have to visit this part called as affiliate. Okay, so as you can see, all of them are practically zero. Unique all clicks, sales amount, refunds, and pending amount all are zero. Now coming to this part called as payout setting. Let us set up our payout method. Now payout method is basically that channel from which you are going to get the commissions or payments from Pabbly. In the accepted payout method, so we are going to choose PayPal. You can also have the choice as a bank transfer, but I'm going to keep it as PayPal. Now in the PayPal email address, you basically type in your PayPal ID. Mine is this one @gmail.com. Okay, this is my PayPal ID. Okay, then click on Save Changes. So it is showing that the payout method has been added. Excellent. So basically our payment stream is ready. So we are basically now ready to roll. All we need is an affiliate link to start the business. So to get the affiliate link, let's go to this part called as overview. So these are the affiliate links you have. Okay, these are all the affiliate links related to Pabbly. So I am interested in, let's say, this particular affiliate link. So all you need to do is you just paste this affiliate links on your website, in the description of YouTube videos, or on your Facebook or Twitter post. Simply put, whenever the customer purchases the product from this affiliate link, you will get the commission. It's that easy. So in my case, I have already embedded the affiliate link here, okay, in this button. Now imagine that I am a customer. So I am a customer and I am reading your article called as Pabbly Connect review. Okay, so this is the website, this is your website, and I am reading your article and I am the customer. And I like the review, okay, I'm really satisfied. I am intending to purchase this product. So I'm just going to click here to buy. So the customer, that is me, is now redirected to the page of Pabbly Connect. So he will look at the pricing, okay, and as being the customer, I will just click on one of them. So I'm going with this one, the starter, that is click on buy now. Okay, so this is the checkout page of one of the deals in Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to fill in the details. So these are the details I have filled in. The city, okay, I have filled in the city. This is the name, this is the last name, all the details. And this plan is worth $180. Okay. Okay, so now as a customer, I'm going to purchase the product by entering the payment information. So now I'm going to enter the credit card details. Then click on checkout. Okay, so as you can see, the customer, that is me, has made a purchase. So let's see whether you have got the commission. So let's refresh this. Okay, as you can see, you have got some commission. So this is your commission, that is $54. So before we discuss about commissions, let's deal with this unique clicks and all clicks. Okay, so what is the difference between unique and all clicks? For example, a customer clicks on the affiliate link. So now the unique click is counted as 1, and also all click will be counted as 1. But if the same customer clicks the affiliate link again, the unique click will be still counted as 1, whereas all clicks will be counted as 2. Basically, if a visitor or a customer clicks the affiliate link more than once, the unique click will be only counted as 1. Okay, so now let's move on to the next part, sales and amount. Now, sales is easy to understand. Through your affiliate link, a customer just purchased a product. So that is counted as one sale. Now coming to amount, the amount that is showing is your commission, that is $54. So as you may remember, the purchase was made by the customer of $180. So at present, Pabbly owes you a commission of 30%. That is why it is showing as 54. Okay, $54. Now this $54 is the amount that Pabbly owes you. It hasn't arrived in your bank account yet. That is why it is showing the pending amount as $54. Okay, so if Pabbly pays you $54, the pending amount will be shown as 0. Okay, so now coming to refunds. For example, if a customer has purchased a product from your affiliate link and Pabbly then owes you a commission, but due to some reason the customer has returned the product and he has been refunded. So in cases like these, the commission that Pabbly owes you will also be refunded. So that is why in Pabbly, your commission will only be transferred to your bank account after the refund period is over. For example, at present in Pabbly, the refund period is of 60 days. So after 60 days, your commission will be released. Also, there is one more thing, that minimum payout amount in Pabbly is $50. Basically, it means that only after you cross this threshold of $50, you will be paid. For instance, you got the first commission of $30. But you will get this money only after you reach the $50. Okay, so let's have a look at this part called as commissions. So at present it is showing the date, that is 24 November 2020. Okay, and the amount is showing as $54. Now the payout date is empty. This is because you haven't been paid yet. Pabbly just basically owes you $54. You haven't been paid yet. So that is why it is showing as unpaid. Now there are two more colors other than orange you should know about. These colors are green and red. Green basically means you have been paid, whereas the red color means there has been a refund. Since this is a new affiliate account, I can't really show you these details. So let me introduce you to an old affiliate account where I will also show you the payment history. Okay, so this is the old affiliate account that I was talking about. So as you can see, in the unique clicks it is showing as 3, in the all clicks it is showing as 4. Similarly, this is the amount that Pabbly owes, and there has been a refund, okay, of $25, and this is the pending amount. So let's have a look at the commissions again. So there has been a case of 6 commissions, and as you can see, these are the colors. These are the orange ones, basically means these are unpaid ones, and there has been a refund, okay, of $25. And there is a paid amount of $10. Okay, so let's have a look at the payment history. So in the payment history, it is showing that on this date there has been a payment, okay, of $10. So this is all about the affiliate module in Pabbly. I hope this video helps you in becoming an effective affiliate partner for Pabbly. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. We will reach out to you at the earliest. Thanks.